G'day mates! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Traveling Kangaroo. Today we're diving deep into the wild, wonderful world of Australia, and more specifically, we're heading to a place that's often overlooked but never forgotten. We're journeying south, way south, to the island state of Tasmania. This gem, often referred to as the Apple Isle, is a treasure trove of natural beauty and rich history. Nestled beneath the Australian mainland, Tasmania is home to just 2% of the country's population, but don't let its small size fool you. This island is brimming with wonders. Why so few people, you ask? Well, grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's uncover the secrets of this enchanting place. Tasmania is a land of dramatic contrasts. Here, ancient history seamlessly blends with modern life, all set against some of the most breathtaking scenery you'll ever witness. Picture rugged mountains, pristine forests, windswept coastlines, and charming colonial towns. It's a place where nature's raw beauty is on full display. But there's more to Tasmania than just its stunning landscapes. Its isolation has played a crucial role in shaping its unique history, vibrant culture, and, yes, its sparse population. So, join me as we delve into the heart of Tasmania. Together we'll explore the reasons behind its sparse population and discover why this little island packs such a big punch. From its natural wonders to its cultural treasures, Tasmania is a place that promises adventure and awe at every turn. Tasmania's story begins long before European ships ever graced its shores. This island, with its rugged mountains, dense forests, and pristine coastlines, has a history that stretches back tens of thousands of years. For over 40,000 years, it was the domain of the Aboriginal Tasmanians, a people deeply connected to the land and its rhythms. Their culture, rich in tradition and knowledge, was passed down through countless generations. They lived in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the ebb and flow of the seasons. Their skills in hunting, fishing, and foraging ensured their survival and prosperity in this diverse environment. Then, in the 17th century, everything changed. The arrival of European explorers marked the beginning of a new era, one that would bring profound transformations to the island and its people. European explorers, drawn by tales of a mysterious southern land, arrived on Tasmania's shores. These early voyages were filled with both wonder and peril as they charted unknown waters. Dutch explorer Abel Tasman, the island's namesake, first sighted it in 1642. His journey opened the door to further exploration and eventual colonization. British colonization followed, bringing with it a wave of change that would forever alter the island's fate. Settlers established new towns and industries, reshaping the landscape and society. The arrival of Europeans had a devastating impact on the Aboriginal population, leading to conflict, displacement, and tragically, near extinction. The cultural and social fabric of the Aboriginal Tasmanians was irreparably damaged. This dark chapter in Tasmania's past serves as a stark reminder of the human cost of colonization and the importance of understanding and preserving Indigenous cultures. Today, efforts continue to recognise and honour the rich heritage of the Aboriginal Tasmanians, ensuring their stories and traditions endure. Tasmania is a nature lover's paradise, a place where the natural world remains largely untouched and pristine. From the rugged peaks of Cradle Mountain, which stand majestically against the sky, to the turquoise waters of Wineglass Bay, its landscapes are simply breathtaking. These iconic locations are just a glimpse of what Tasmania has to offer. The island is a haven for unique flora and fauna, much of which is found nowhere else on Earth. The diversity of plant life is astonishing, with species that have adapted to the island's varied climates and terrains. Imagine towering eucalyptus forests, home to the iconic Tasmanian devil, a creature as enigmatic as its island home. These forests are not just habitats, but are also vital to the island's ecosystem, supporting a wide range of wildlife. Picture pristine beaches where fairy penguins waddle ashore at dusk, their tiny bodies dwarfed by the vastness of the ocean. These moments are a testament to the island's unspoiled beauty and the delicate balance of its ecosystems. Tasmania's isolation has played a crucial role in shaping its biodiversity. The island's separation from the mainland has allowed unique species to evolve in relative isolation, creating a living laboratory of evolution. Separated from the mainland for thousands of years, the island has become a living laboratory of evolution, giving rise to a remarkable array of endemic species. These species are a testament to the island's unique evolutionary path. But this natural bounty has also posed challenges. The rugged terrain and dense forests can be both a blessing and a curse, offering beauty and seclusion but also making access difficult. The island's remoteness makes it difficult to access certain areas, limiting development and economic opportunities. However, this very remoteness is what has preserved its natural beauty, making Tasmania a true sanctuary for nature. Tasmania's economy tells a tale of two islands. On one hand, it boasts a thriving tourism industry, drawn to its natural beauty and unique cultural offerings. Visitors flock to sample its world-renowned wines, explore its historic sites, and immerse themselves in its laid-back island vibe. On the other hand, Tasmania faces economic challenges. The island's remoteness makes transportation costs high, impacting industries reliant on exports. Job opportunities, particularly in specialised fields, can be limited, leading some young Tasmanians to seek their fortunes on the mainland. Traditional industries like logging and mining have faced increasing scrutiny due to their environmental impact. This has led to a push for more sustainable practices and the development of new industries such as renewable energy. Bridging the Bass Strait, isolation and connection. The Bass Strait, a treacherous stretch of water separating Tasmania from mainland Australia, has long been a defining feature of the island's identity. It's a physical barrier, yes, but also a psychological one, shaping perceptions of Tasmania as both remote and distinct. For some, the island's isolation is a source of pride, a symbol of its resilience and self-sufficiency. For others, it can feel limiting, a barrier to opportunity and connection. The Spirit of Tasmania, a passenger and vehicle ferry, provides a vital link to the mainland, transporting people, goods, and ideas back and forth. But the cost and time involved in crossing the strait remain a constant reminder of Tasmania's unique geographical reality. A cultural haven, life on the edge of the world. Despite its small population, Tasmania boasts a vibrant and distinctive culture. Its isolation has fostered a strong sense of community and a deep appreciation for the simple things in life. Tasmanians are known for their warmth, their down-to-earth nature, and their love of the outdoors. Life moves at a different pace here, more in tune with the rhythms of nature than the hustle and bustle of mainland cities. The island has a thriving arts and culture scene, with world-class festivals, galleries, and performance spaces. From the vibrant street art of Hobart to the acclaimed Museum of Old and New Art, or MONA, Tasmania offers a unique blend of the traditional and the avant-garde. Green Tasmania, a beacon of sustainability. Tasmania is at the forefront of Australia's renewable energy revolution. With its abundant natural resources, particularly hydroelectricity and wind power, the island is on track to become 100% self-sufficient in renewable energy. This commitment to sustainability is not just an economic strategy, it's deeply ingrained in the Tasmanian psyche. There's a profound understanding here that protecting the environment is essential for the well-being of both people and planet. Tasmania's pristine wilderness areas, its clean air and water, are not just tourist attractions. They're a source of pride and a testament to the island's commitment to conservation. Small island, big impact Tasmania's place in Australia. So why does Tasmania matter? Why should we care about this small island at the bottom of the world? Because Tasmania, despite its size, has a lot to offer. It's a reminder that progress doesn't have to come at the expense of the environment, that economic growth can go hand in hand with social responsibility. Tasmania challenges us to rethink our relationship with the natural world, to embrace a slower pace of life, and to appreciate the beauty of simplicity. It's a place where ancient history and modern life coexist, where wilderness and culture intertwine, and where the human spirit finds solace in the embrace of nature. Until next time, Traveling Kangaroo bids farewell. Well, mates, that's a wrap on our Tasmanian adventure. I hope you've enjoyed this journey to the bottom of the world and that you've gained a new appreciation for this small island with a big heart. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep your eyes peeled for more Aussie adventures with Traveling Kangaroo. Cheers!